track walk with Jet, checking out round 5 inside line. We have the start gate, it's just being built there. There's a nice sprint straight into some steep rocky chutes over there in the distance. Alright, just after that sprint, we have rocky steep chute into the roughest part of the track. So yeah, he might come Sunday. He doesn't do practice.
Troy and Connor.
Steep chute into another rocky chute into another rock garden, a little one, and then for me, I reckon
Outside.
that's inside. I reckon outside.
Down there.
Coming from here and cruising straight line instead of trying to catch myself into that berm. We have the outside line into a drop, high compression and another compression, and then onto Troy. That's the old high line where they're walking out. Compression and the high line just there. You can go low,
I'd go high.
but
Low
where
would
I'm
be
standing,
sketchy as hell.
Or down that. Or
this
down
is
there.
really steep, like
Round.
sitting
That's
at an
probably
angle
the
like
best
that. We got some people somehow down here and then straight down the middle. But and straight after that steep chute, we have another sprint into a low line or high line.
High line. It's actually better for turning.
High line. Yeah. With this off camber turn right there. Probably just come in here, try not to pinch my wheels. And
I'll
try
try
my
go through in the
best
middle there and turn.
to
Bit
make
tighter.
it into that other roller. Outside, I reckon. If you go low, then you won't be able to save yourself on the off camber turn.
Like, 'cause you can either go low or high.
Oh, yeah. We have the off camber into another straight, a few twisty turns, and then we jump into a hip catch berm.
Don't want to go up there for a week in the holidays.
I'll be going for 2 weeks in the holidays,
I'll go up there with you then.
just up through there.
These holidays coming up or which ones?
These ones, this holidays.
I mean,
That catch berm from that hip is just there, into another cruisy spot, and then you jump into probably one of the hardest to stay on your line. I reckon just high compression and go straight that way from here, or you could just, actually you probably could get that.
at the same time?
To have high line, I'm definitely going high line.
Yeah,
and,
same.
yeah,
Yeah, that's what yeah.
high line into just sort of pump as hard as you can, I guess. Try not to destroy your wheels. And another drop. Okay, that is that steep chute into, we have a hip there, just there, wherever it is there. And then we're pretty much sprinting into this double. I think it's about 20 feet or something, 30 feet. Don't 100% know, but that's yeah. Alright, we've got to watch some people come down, coming up from up there, coming in, and I'm going to watch this gap for a little bit. Alright, you got these riders, they're going to hit it.
in there instead. Okay. You ready, Jack? Hold, wait. All right, 3, 2, 1. Shane it, boys. Let's go. Come on. Come on, boys. Now. Let's go. Oh, we got the double header. Yeah. Boys, punch it.
Oh my God!
Keep going. Right on. Yeah. Last man down.
Yeah, James.
Yes, Ben.
Yeah, Ben.
Yes, boy.
This Benny's a great guy. Honestly, he's the best guy in the world.
Let's go, Tyler.
Tyler's there. Oh, you're my hero, Tyler.
Yes, Quinny. Let's go, Quinny. Come on, Ian.
Let's go, Quinny.
Pedal.
Go, Quinny.
Wait. Win.
Christine.
That was quick. His life, instead of riding bikes, he's a hill climber.
Yeah, Cody.
Oh.
Yeah, Xander.